Would you believe me if I told you that you can make all of these for under $4? That's right, under $4. There are 10 notebooks here, and we're able to make all of them for under $4. So if you're doing a craft fair, this is craft fair gold right here. So this is a beautiful way to stretch your crafting dollars and then turn around and turn those crafting dollars into some money in your pocket. So y'all, not only am I showing all of this goodness, I'm about to show you how we actually do it. So I'm going to switch to my overhead camera to give you a better look at these. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's what we have here. What I have are 10 notebooks, and each one measures approximately 4 by 3. And each book has 15 folded pages in it, which gives you 30 pages of writing space. Super easy to make, super inexpensive, because here's how we're going to do it. I am going to take one of those Dollar Tree notepads that measures 4 by 6, has 150 sheets in it. We're going to take this and divide it into sets of 15 sheets per group. So we'll be able to get 10 groups out of this pack. Then I have this beautiful little 6 by 6 notepad set, and I've had these for a while, and I can't remember where I got them, but they're 6 by 6, and they were about $1.99. They weren't any more than $2, because I would never pay more than $2 for some 6 by 6 papers. But this is a great way to use up some of those 6 by 6 papers if you have them in your stash. So paid about $2 for this, $1.25 for these, $3.25. We are going to make these sweet little notebooks. Even if you gifted or sold all of these together, what a beautiful presentation this is. So however you choose to use these, whether you gift, keep, or sell them, they will be the cutest little ways to take notes. I'm going to take these and set them to the side because I want to show you how quickly you can make one of these books. So I think I'm going to make 2. So what I have are 2 pieces of the 6 by 6 paper, and I have 2 stacks that I have taken from this notebook that measures 4 by 6. I have 15 pages each stack. Very easy, y'all. We're going to take this, and I'm not even going to put it in my scoreboard. I am just going to take it and fold it in half. And I'll do both. Let's just fold them in half. And then we'll take these and fold them in half as well. We're going to take that whole stack, fold them in half. And while I'm doing this, y'all, I want to take a moment just to thank you all for being here and supporting my channel. I really, truly appreciate the fact that you do show up for me. It does help me. It helps my spirit. It helps my channel. So thank you so much. Now I'm going to bring in my long arm stapler. If you don't have a long arm stapler, these are short enough that your regular stapler should be able to go through. So I'm just going to take these and line them up like this, getting the center fold aligned. Then I'm going to take my long arm and just line it up and staple like that. And staple like that. And you can see that I have some excess there. That's no problem. Let's do the same thing here. And staple. Line it up with the center mark or the center fold and staple. I don't always get my staples perfect, but they're good enough for me. So I'm going to take my big old spatula and we're going to give this a nice crease. You can see that these look a little rough. We're going to clean them up. So I'm going to be using my finger blade as well as a ruler and an ink pen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler, place it at the top, and then I'm going to make a mark at 4. So I'm going to come down 4 inches and make a mark. So then I'm going to take my ruler, and when I place it down, I'm going to place it down so that I am inside of that 4-inch mark that I made. I have a very sharp blade on my finger blade, and you need a sharp blade so that you can cut through the layers without the paper causing any curling on the end. So now on this side where my paper is protruding, I am just going to take my ruler, and y'all, we're just going to remove that and clean up our pretty little books. Now, wasn't that easy? All right, y'all, so something happened with my video. I'm not sure what happened, but as I was demonstrating how to trim this way and this way, something happened with that footage, so I'm not able to use it. But basically, it's the same process that I demoed on the first one. So I made a mark and I trimmed away the excess at the 4-inch mark. Then I turned it to the side, and where the white was protruding, I cut that out. My apologies that that footage is lost, but there is no way that I'm able to use it. All right, y'all, so here are all of our sweet little books. Aren't they just absolutely gorgeous? Paper crafting at its finest. For under $4, we're able to make this, and we're able to make it to gift, keep, or sell. If you're anything like me and you like taking notes, you like having a beautiful little notebook or journal to write in, this is perfect. Or if you're doing a craft fair, this is more than perfect for that craft fair. Or how about giving them as a gift? So no matter what you choose to do with these, whether you choose to gift, keep, or sell them, these are perfect for any season, any reason, anyone. And y'all know that on this channel, we're always looking for the fun, inexpensive ways that we can take something and turn it into something else. And that's exactly what we've done here. So thank you so much for being here today. If this is your first time stopping by, I hope that you've enjoyed it enough to stop by again and again and again. And if that's the case, why not go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button so that you'll know when I upload a new video. As always, my beautiful friends, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.